Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align checkboxes in your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a P-level PDF and see these checkboxes not aligned properly, and I will align all of this properly. Now select Form option this menu bar and click on this select option down arrow, select annotation. Now drag your mouse to select your checkboxes you want to align. Now click right button and here you will find this align option. I will align these checkboxes horizontally and see this horizontally now align. Also I will align these checkboxes this top align and see this top align now fixes. If I select here bottom align and see this bottom align also fixes, and also align these two checkboxes as vertically align and see this. If I select this is align, this is left align and see this left alignment, and see this right alignment. In this way you can fix this checkboxes top, bottom, right, left and vertically and horizontally. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.